Finally, we come to temperature. Temperature plays a crucial role because photosynthesis is controlled by enzymes, and enzymes are very sensitive to temperature. As temperature rises, the rate of photosynthesis increases. This is because the enzymes involved in the reaction gain more energy. With more energy, they move faster, collide more often with the substances they act on, and produce more reactions per second. This rise continues until the enzymes reach their most efficient point. This is called the optimum temperature. It is the temperature at which the rate of photosynthesis is at its highest. But if the temperature keeps rising beyond this point, the enzymes begin to lose their shape. This process is called denaturation. Once enzymes are denatured, they can no longer carry out the job effectively. So as the temperature goes too high, the enzymes break down, and the rate of photosynthesis drops. On the graph, this is shown by an upward curve at first, followed by a peak, and then a sharp downward slope. The downward curve tells us that the process is slowing down because the enzymes have been damaged by heat. Now if we look more closely at the graph for temperature against the rate of photosynthesis, we see three clear parts. First, there is the upward curve, showing that increasing temperature speeds up the process. Then we reach the peak, which is the optimum temperature. And finally, there is the downward curve, showing that the enzymes are beginning to denature and the rate is now decreasing. So to summarize, we have looked at the three main limiting factors of photosynthesis. Light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, and temperature each play a key role in controlling how fast the process happens. At any given moment, whichever one is in the shortest supply becomes the limiting factor. And once that factor is no longer limiting, another one takes its place. This helps us understand why plants photosynthesize at different rates in different environmental conditions, and how each of these factors can affect plant growth and productivity. And that brings us to the end of Unit 6.1, Photosynthesis, the first step in our journey through plant nutrition. I hope you followed along and found it useful. If you'd like to review anything, the notes are ready for you, just check the description or the pinned comment below. I'll be back soon with the next unit. So stay with me, and let's keep learning together.